Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID is signed into the device and iCloud Drive is enabled. That ensures files can sync. Next, open the Files app on iPhone/iPad or Finder on Mac, or go to iCloud. Com if using a browser. Once open, select iCloud Drive from the sidebar so you see folders and recently modified files. This first step connects the device to your cloud storage and displays current file structure so you can act immediately. With iCloud Drive visible, browse folders by tapping or double-clicking into them to follow the hierarchy. Once done, use the back button to retrace steps. Make sure to use search to filter by file name, file type, or tags when a folder is large, because search scopes speed locating items. You can preview files without downloading by tapping or using Quick Look on Mac. This shows content instantly and helps decide if you need the full download or an edit. To finish, download a file locally or open it in a compatible app for editing. Make sure files fully sync before editing to prevent conflicts. If you need others to access it, use the Share or Collaborate option to send a link and set view/edit permissions. If things go wrong, check iCloud system status and your storage quota, confirm you're online, and toggle iCloud Drive off and on to force a resync. These steps fix most sync or missing file issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.